If you have ever observed some spoiled bread, then you must have seen some whitish threads like these and also some black powdery substance like this. These are called spores. This is actually an asexual method of reproduction and it's seen in some non-flowering plants like fungi and some bacteria. Now in this method, when the parent finds a nice surrounding environment, like when they're on the piece of bread, they start reproducing asexually and release hundreds of spores. And these spores start to become new plants. Let's observe a very common spore formation process where we observe rhizopus on bread. Let's take some soft bread and put it in open air and expose it to the contaminants in the air. If it helps, sprinkle some water, put it in a plastic bag and leave it in a dark place for a couple of days or even a week. After that, you can see the mold being formed. Under a microscope, it will look like this. In rhizopus, numerous spores are produced within sacs called sporangia. These sporangia are formed in an upright fashion and are at the tips of the long thread-like structures called hyphae. Branching structures like the rhizoids attach themselves to the bread and suck all the nutrients that the fungus needs. The sporangia then develops into this black substance which has a lot of spores inside it. And these are used for asexual reproduction. When the conditions are right, the sporangia bursts open and releases spores into the atmosphere so that they can land on some other moist surface and the cycle repeats. So what have we learned in this video? We have seen an asexual method of reproduction called the spore formation. So until next time, happy learning!